Valentine's Day is coming up, you've got a loved one, but you also love your 3D printer. Well, here's 5 unique heart designs that you can print to test yourself for that special someone. Now I know what you're thinking, I've seen videos like this before. You're just going to get designs off Thingiverse and put them one after each other. Well, I promise you that I'm not. There is one off Thingiverse, but the other ones are completely new and designed by myself. They scale from beginner to advanced, and I'll show you how I made them as well as who you should give them to. Let's go. Let's start with something simple, maybe for a simple someone. Someone that you really love, but they're just not really that smart. Enter the low-polygon heart. I started by creating a heart in Onshape. I sketched the shape, extruded it, and then applied fillets until you have the shape that you see here. I then imported it into Mesh Mixer, reduced the polygon count to 150, and did a plane cut on the base so it's nice and flat on your bed. This print is suitable for a complete beginner. You've printed the test files off the SD card, and now you're looking to slice something for yourself. This is an ideal print for you, because it needs no support and there's nothing particularly tricky about it. When you're finished, you can give it to that simple person who you love so much, and they can be dazzled by the way the light reflects off the angled surface. Our second design is our ugly heart. Not to say the person you'll give it to is ugly, but maybe your relationship is a little bit strained, but you love them, warts and all. To make this one, I imported my base heart into Mesh Mixer and then used the pattern tool with the dual edge setting. Normally people use this tool to make Veroni patterns, but in this case I set it to subtract instead of intersect, and I clipped it to the exterior. The result is the frame is cut away from the heart, leaving behind this mangled mess. This is a step up compared to the low poly heart because for the first time you're going to need to add your own support. You can have fun playing with settings such as support pillar resolution and the angle at which the support is applied. It's not a terribly attractive design, but it is quite striking. You can give it to your special someone and just watch them try to work out in their head why exactly they're receiving something a little bit strange. Time to do something completely different. Now if you're a little bit confused as to what exactly you see in your partner, well, enter the puzzle heart. If your partner is full of layers like Shrek or an onion, this one is for you. I imported my heart into the now defunct program 123D Make and used the radial slice tool to segment it into parts. I then used some trickery to export that into Illustrator, moved the parts around, tidied it up, and then went back into Onshape using the DXF import function where I extruded it to fit all of the parts nicely inside a 150 by 150mm square. If you've got a typical 200 by 200 printer, it's going to fit really easily. Although it doesn't look too complicated, this requires you to have your bed absolutely level. With such flat parts spread over such a wide area, if you don't have this right, you won't be able to get this to print properly. Get it even, however, and the parts will slot together perfectly. When the print is finished, be very careful getting the pieces off, as they're delicate on the corners and it's easy to snap them. After that comes the fun of putting it together, or even better, letting your loved one do it for you. When they're done, they'll have a great sense of satisfaction from the fact that they've received a present and that they've solved a puzzle. Unfortunately, not all stories have a happy ending. If you're lonely on Valentine's Day, then this broken heart is for you. The heart was once again imported into Mesh Mixer before the pattern tool was used with the lattice preset. Each plane was rotated 45 degrees and then clipped to the external boundary before finally a plane cut was applied on the bottom. To get that truly broken effect, I used the select tool to cut out a jagged piece, and then I remeshed the file to make sure it was watertight. This is a proper 3D printing torture test. Perhaps the most difficult part is manually placing all of the support. If you put it on automatic mode, it's going to fill it up full of material that is very hard to get undone. This will be a true test to see how accurate your printer is, how much stringing it has, and how good your bed adhesion is too. If anything is wrong, the nozzle will most likely crash into the part, causing it to snap a piece off, or even worse, cause a layer shift. If you're successful in printing this, the fun job is just beginning, because now you've got to pick off all the support material. This is a truly torturous design that might help you keep your mind occupied if you're alone on Valentine's Day. Once you're done, you can even send it to the ex who broke your heart to send them a very strong message. To finish with, a classic. This is the Heart Gear from Thingiverse. It's extremely satisfying to play with and it will constantly draw your attention. Sometimes you just won't be able to stop thinking about it. Give this to the person who you absolutely adore. This version is a few years old and the design has since been updated to include 3 variations which are linked in the description. This print will test the accuracy of your printer and the patience of yourself. If you're willing to go the long haul to print all of the parts and assemble them, then give them to a person who you are equally willing to spend a long time with. They'll not only be thankful that you love them, but happy that you've taken the time to give them a gift that's so interesting and attractive. So there you have it, 5 distinct designs to test your 3D printer and show your loved one exactly how much you care. You might be thinking, why not in pink or red? Well, I think that's a little cliched, and I've used glow-in-the-dark filament for these. When your special someone turns off the lights, they'll still be able to see your gift, and when they close their eyes, they'll hopefully be thinking of you. G'day, it's Michael again. If you like the video, then please click like. If you want to see more content like this in future, click subscribe and make sure you click on the bell to receive every notification. If you really want to support the channel and see exclusive content, become a patron. Visit my Patreon page. See you next time.